the Indian cricketers, now back home in India, we can now wash out with dirty linen in public. Imagine, the West Indies are 7 of the 8 completed international games on the tour to go with the World Cup disaster. And my question is, when can we start to hold Ricky Skerritt accountable for what is happening with West Indies cricket? All the people who were blaming Dave Cameron's arrogance for everything that was wrong with the cricket, the same people who are now saying, give Skerritt a chance, he need more time and blah, blah, blah. How much more time he need? Another 3 or 6 months. Another 2 or 3 series of shameless beatings. We must wait till when Kenya and Canada and Papua New Guinea start batter the West Indies before we can call out Ricky Skerritt and make him admit that he was wrong to sack the coach when he did, and that Floyd Reefer, as West Indies coach, has been a disaster, and make him know, say, just like how him and him friend them chase Dave Cameron out of office for his arrogance, we can chase him, Skerritt, out of office for non-performance. And to tell Skerritt to his face that pound for pound, you, Ricky Skerritt, so far has been the worst performing board president in the history of West Indies cricket. But shh, we can't say it yet. We have to give him some more time. We have to give him some more time. We have to wait. Shh, give him more time. Give him more time.